Hi, and welcome to another episode of Long Island TV. I'm Kristen with Discover Long Island, and by now you know LiLi, our mobile visitor center. This week, we're taking you on a great episode that talks about downtowns on Long Island and the Downtown Deals mobile travel pass that you can get to save you money when you're exploring all the wonderful downtowns across our island. So today we're in Rockville Centre, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna discover everything there is to do to have fun. We're gonna have some great tasty bites, we're gonna learn about science, we're gonna have some fun bowling, and we're gonna elevate our taste buds with some olive oil so you'll be impressive at your next party. Let's go check out Rockville Centre. So here we are at the Center for Science Teaching and Learning, an incredible family attraction, otherwise known as the dinosaur exhibit. Because it's so great for families, I brought my daughter, Kenzie, so we're gonna go check out the dinosaurs. Let's go see what it's all about. We're lucky enough to have the director, Rayanne. You're gonna show us around?
Absolutely, be delighted.
So tell me, what is the significance of this dinosaur exhibit? Why do we have dinosaurs on Long Island?
Well, you know, kids love dinosaurs.
Okay.
So we can use dinosaurs as a tool to teach about many different things. In this case, we're really teaching about a big word called adaptations. What is so special about living things and dinosaurs that help them survive?
So Rayanne, I know we could spend an entire day here and even an entire summer at camp, but we've seen the dinosaurs, we've seen Drago. What else should we go see?
Well, come on, let's go see more of our live animals.
All right.
Because they're really spectacular.
Okay, fun.
Many of them have been permanently injured. So they're healed, but they can't be released to the wild, like our barred owls. And so we provide a permanent home.
So make sure you come and check out the Center for Science Teaching and Learning. Bring your family and have a great day. Make sure you carve out enough time because it is a full family day experience. So when you download the Downtown Travel Deals Pass, you get great discounts to some of the best places in our top downtowns, including the hottest place to have breakfast in Rockville Centre, the Breakfast Club. Let's check it out. So here we are at the Breakfast Club in Rockville Centre, and I found my good friend Bree and co-worker from Discover Long Island, who's actually LiLi's caretaker, so LiLi's favorite person as well. We're gonna enjoy a lovely breakfast cocktail, and this is such a great place. They have happy hour, they have dinner sometimes Thursday, Friday, Saturday, they have live music on Sundays. There's so much to do, and the deal on the pass is actually for a mimosa tower. We're not doing that today. We're just gonna have a little breakfast and enjoy ourselves. Thanks for meeting me, Bree.
Cheers.
Cheers. So our next stop is one of the best deals on the travel pass. It's here at Maple Lanes Bowling, and it's a 2-for-1 bowling discount, which is terrific. And who doesn't love bowling? Kenzie and I are gonna try our luck at some bowling. Let's see how we do. How are you? Hi, good to see you.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks for having us.
Absolutely. absolutely. Welcome to Vines and Branches. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. It's Lisa.
Yes,
And the store is called
Vines and Branches.
Vines and Branches, and you're here in Rockville Centre, which is
North Park
terrific.
Avenue. Yep.
Wonderful. And importantly, you have a deal on the app of 10% off.
We do.
So we're encouraging people to come and experience this store.
Yes.
So I am super excited about your shop because I think people think that it's going to be just olive oils or just balsamic.
Oh no.
But you have tapenades, you have spreads, you have sauces, you have aiolis. So what should we try to take home to?
Well, our favorite table is the infused table. And our most popular olive oil is our Tuscan herb. And this is infused with basil, oregano, garlic, and rosemary. Smell that.
Okay.
I wish we had smell-o-vision.
I mean, this smells like just the most pristine Italian food restaurant that you walk in and your mouth immediately starts watering.
Yes.
Right,
Exactly.
I'm just trying to let people
Yes.
know.
How nice is that?
It's so smooth, and you wouldn't think that drinking oil,
Yeah.
but it's really delicious.
Yes. We have recipe cards that go along with almost all the oils and tapenades. So this is our most popular recipe, and it uses one of the tapenades, the Asiago and Parmesan spread.
So this is actually a great way to try something new when we're all sort of stuck being closer to home. The fact that you can have a European experience and you have some great sauces for the empanadas.
Yes.
Come to Vines and Branches, use the mobile pass, and you save 10%,
Yes.
which I'm going to do today.
Yay.
Thank God, because I'm going to buy a lot of stuff.
Good.
So thanks for tuning in to another episode of Long Island TV here in Rockville Centre and talking about our mobile deals pass. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to make sure you catch next week's episode. And please be sure to make sure you hashtag Discover Long Island so we can follow your adventures. I'm Kristen with Discover. I can never say that pattern of sentence. Kristen with Discover Long Island. Okay. See what this attraction is all about and why Long Island families love to come here. So let's go. Oh wait, I need to see who she is. So when you download, Kristen wants to. I'm so scared right now. Kenzie and I are going to bowl a couple of frames because who doesn't love to have a good? I don't know how to say that. Gate. All right. Not have me knocked out by the gate. And we're also gonna elevate our taste buds with some nice olive oil tasting. So none of that's gonna work, obviously, because of all those things. All right, first one's fine.